Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could download and install the .NET Framework from Windows, the version 4.6. To begin, simply open your browser and type www.microsoft.com and hit enter. Once on the official website, click on the search bar and type .NET Framework 4.6 and hit enter. You will be redirected to this page. Click on the first result showing official downloads 4.6. As a next step, here if you are a developer, then you want to get the second option. If you are just a normal user of a computer, click on the first option to begin the download. Both versions can be installed by just one click. Once download is done, open the download folder and right-click with the mouse and click Run as Administrator. Windows will ask you if you really want to allow this app to make changes. You can go ahead and click Yes. Then the installation will begin. Like any software, it will take a few minutes, and then you will be prompted to restart your computer. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.